there's this one critical moment that can absolutely make or break a deal, and that's the quotation. Today, we're going to dig into how you can transform that quote from just a messy guess into a professional, binding offer that actually wins you the job. Let's dive in. I mean, this is the million-dollar question, right? A customer has a problem, you've got the solution. But that space in between, bridging that gap with a clear professional cost estimate, that's where deals are either won or lost. Having a solid quotation process isn't just some nice to have, it's totally make or break. So let's start by looking at the challenge itself. For so many businesses, creating a service quote is kind of a messy, inconsistent process. And you know what? That creates headaches for absolutely everyone involved. This slide just lays it out perfectly. On the left, you've got the old way, the chaos, right? Manual estimates, back and forth emails, details getting lost in the shuffle. It's totally unreliable for you, and it looks unprofessional to the customer. But on the right, that's where we want to be. A guaranteed binding offer with super clear terms, all flowing through an automated system. That is the leap from pure guesswork to being a pro. Okay, so how do we actually make that leap from guesswork to guarantee? Well, the solution is baked right into the SAP service quotation process. We're going to focus on this really cool pre-configured process, which is known in the SAP world as scope item 4GA. Let's get really clear on what we're talking about here. The key phrase is legally binding offer. This is not just some ballpark figure you're throwing out there. Nope, it is a formal commitment with fixed conditions. And that one little shift, it changes the entire dynamic you have with your customer. And I love this analogy. Forget all the complex legal jargon for a minute. The absolute easiest way to think about this is as a digital handshake. It's just a smart binding agreement that sets crystal clear expectations for both you and your customer before a single bit of work even begins. All right, so we get what it is, but how does it actually work? Let's walk through the life of a service quotation, from the very beginning to the very end. So this flow shows the whole journey. It all kicks off with creating the quotation. Then, boom, it's sent to the customer. Now, this next part is that crucial negotiation loop. They might have some feedback, which leads to a review and an update, and then you get to the moment of truth. They either accept it or they reject it. A yes automatically kicks off the next step, the service order, while a no just cleanly closes the loop. It's a structured, predictable path for every single quote. No more chaos. Now, following a process like that isn't just about being organized. It delivers some really serious advantages. So why does this matter so much for your business? Let's break down the key benefits. The benefits here are just huge. You get the flexibility to offer different kinds of pricing and handle all the negotiations professionally. You can send these clean, crisp PDF outputs right from the system. But here's the best part. As soon as the customer accepts, the process automatically creates a service order, instantly bridging that gap between the sales side and the delivery side. And this flexibility, this is a massive advantage. You are no longer stuck in some one-size-fits-all box. For simple, predictable jobs, you can offer a fixed price, but for those more complex projects, you can use time and material. It's all about tailoring the offer perfectly to the job, and that's what builds real trust with your customer. For me, this is the real game changer, the automatic creation of a service order. Seriously, just think about what this gets rid of. No more delays, no more manual data entry, no more risk of human error. The second your customer hits accept, the system kicks off the delivery process. It's a completely seamless handoff from sales to service. So who is the person at the heart of this entire workflow? Let's put a face to the process and meet the key person responsible for making all this magic happen. Let's meet the customer service manager. This person is basically the hero of our story. Using their specific role in SAP, this is the person who actually creates the quotations, sends them out, handles any updates, and finally records whether the customer accepted or rejected the offer. They are the pilot of this entire process, steering every quote to its destination. And that really brings us to our final thought. Once you've moved from that world of guesswork to a guaranteed automated quotation process, you have unlocked a whole new level of efficiency. So the real question to leave you with is this. With all that time and energy you've just saved, what's the next big opportunity for your business?
Hey everyone,